I thought I'd take advantage this morning of the relative peace and quiet and also the relative coolness to come out here and do some potting. And my subject today is this Buddha belly fig. This is a fairly standard sort of fig you'd get from any, well, nursery, not so much, but supermarket. It's a Ficus microcarpa, which has been grafted onto a Ficus retusa base, which is these funny knobby leaves. It's not a bonsai, it's just small because it's grown in a very small container. So I'm going to give it the shock of its life. I'm actually going to pull it out of its container, repot it. I'm also going to train it so hopefully it'll grow over a rock, and I don't know what size rock I need to start it off, so I've got a few from the garden. We'll see how we go. When I was in Korea recently, I bought this really nice pot, and that's what I'm planning on putting my fig into. Ta-da! It's out. If there's any hope of training it over a rock, I might have to put it under this side. And training's the operative word here. I was very mistaken in my understanding. You do actually have to work this up, develop it over a series of ever-increasing sized rocks if you actually want to achieve the sort of shape I'm interested in. Unfortunately, because I've left it in the pot so long, these roots here, these two here, instead of coming down, are winding around, so whether I'll ever be able to get much out of this, I don't know. Anyway, I'm sure it's going to enjoy being in a new pot of soil, if nothing else. Well, I don't think I've got the right pot size for this. I'm going to have a hunt and see if I can find something a little bit better. Oh well, the best laid plans. I found this other pot in the garden already. It's quite weathered because it's been sitting outside for a long time, but it's long, and I think that will suit the shape of the roots of this ficus a bit better. I'm just looking at the position. I think that's pretty good. I'll give that one a go. I can easily get my rocks in as well, which is nice. And I'm going to take it from there. So here it is. All of this will be ongoing, work in progress. I have to see how it reshoots, if it reshoots, and repot as we go along, a bit more frequently this time, I think.